Good evening everyone. Greetings of the day. Hi, I am Pritima Sharma, Principal of New Pithampur Public Senior Secondary School. Today I would like to share my views on the education system of the new education policy. As new education policy according to the NEP, ensuring universal access to all levels of schooling from pre-primary school to grade 12. For that, I would like to share the 7 C's. These 7 C's are the overall development of the student, not only in the scholastic as well as in the co-scholastic areas. The 7 C's to enhance the student's education. First C, that is collaboration, communication, creativity, critical thinking, character, citizenship, and computational thinking. These 7 C enhances the student to achieve their goal. And these goals they only can achieve until and unless when they are able to get the equally opportunity for the participation. And once they will fully participate in each and every activity, they can become the independent personality. And the curriculum which we are using in our school, that is based on the CBSE. Best of the best curriculums we apply and the best publishers we used to use in our school. And if we talk about the results of our school, अगर हम क्लास 10th की बात करें तो we had scored 98.24% in the board examination in 21-22 academic session, जिसमें से one of the student Abhishek Pandya, he was the district topper of the school. बात करें हम क्लास 12th के रिजल्ट्स की तो 12th PCM में हमारा 100% रिजल्ट था, PCB में हमारा 100% रिजल्ट था, और रही बात कॉमर्स की तो वहाँ पर मोर देन 80% हमारा रिजल्ट स्कोर हुआ. इतना ही नहीं, ये तो था हमारा एकेडमिक्स का. अब अगर हम बात करते हैं हमारे नॉन एकेडमिक्स की या स्पोर्ट्स एक्टिविटीज़ की, तो आवर स्कूल इज़ एसोसिएटेड विद द किड्स स्पोर्ट्स एक्टिविटी. इसमें भी हमारे स्कूल ने फुटबॉल के 2 मैचेस आउट ऑफ द स्कूल खेले. पहला स्कूल के साथ खेला था उन्होंने गोल्डन इंटरनेशनल, जिसमें उन्होंने गोल्डन ट्रॉफी 1 की थी. दूसरा खेला था उन्होंने सिद्राज इंटरनेशनल के साथ, जिसमें भी उन्होंने 3rd पोजीशन को हासिल किया था.
Hello, I am Hardik, studying from class 11th Commerce. I represented myself as an academic HR from this school. In this school, NPPS taught me a lot of lessons which will gonna help me to grow myself in the future. I learned a lot of life lessons from this school. Everyone must take admission from this school. I personally speaking, I love this school, and everyone must take study from this school. I am very grateful to be here to talking about this school. As a part of this school, I grow myself, I develop my personality from this school. Thank you.
Hi, I am Anshul Shrivastava. I represented my school as a head girl. For me, MPPS is parents' perfect school for their children. MPPS provide quality of education. All the teachers are very supportive. They always stand up for their students. They teaches us how to be confident, how to be disciplined, how to be sincere. MPPS always holds a special place in my heart. Being a part of MPPS family, it gives pleasure to me. I have gained knowledge, discipline, sincerity that will help me in my future. I recommend it to all the parents and students out there to be the part of this MPPS family. Thank you.
My name is Shalini Singh from class 8B. My school name is New Pithampur Public Senior Secondary School. My school is very best in this area. Teachers have very friendly behavior to the students. Teachers not only teach their students book knowledge but also provide other type of knowledge. In this world, people do not see the result of the person but also see the person have how much knowledge. Teachers use digital technology to teach the students and there is many facilities provided by the schools. I suggest that you admission this school and keep your future bright. Thank you.
Good morning, I am Rajat Dubey from class 6th. I am the student of NPPS. I would like to tell you about my school. My school is not provide only bookish language method. It provides some extra improvement like personality development. It gives courage to stand in the front of crowd. The school provides knowledge to each and every students by digital method also. We have 52 smart class in our entire school. The environment of school is very well. The school helps to students to speak fluent speaking skills. The teachers help the students to solve their doubts. The school organizes many events for the fun of the students. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Hello, I am Sarthak Tiwari. I got the chance to represent the school as a head boy. I completed my primary to secondary education in the school. Muhammad Ali once said that without goals and ambition, a man is not a man. NPPS provides me these goals and ambitions. NPPS does not only provide the goals and education to the ambitions to the students, but it also helps them to achieve it. In today's era, what is the importance of the personality of an individual? So, along with the focusing on the literary education, NPPS also conducts many co-curricular activities, which is helpful to enhance the personality of the students. The teachers and the mentors of the NPPS does not only make the student to not get fearful and hesitate to ask their doubts. They make them to learn the thing with great enthusiasm. I am damn sure if any student spends some years in the school, become a shining star in the future, in the field he or she adopted for their future. Thank you.
Hi, I am Utsav Tiwari. I am the house captain of Blue House and I am completed my primary to secondary education from here. NPPS taught me many things and many life lessons which is absolutely help in my future, and it was a quite a good experience in here. It's also focused on our curriculum activities, physical education, drama, music, etc., which is very useful ingredient to develop personality of an individual. And I would like to suggest my juniors to join this group, and I am damn sure you can't be unsuccessful after joining this group. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Hello, I am Sonali Pandey from class 12th PCM. I am house captain of Yellow House. I completed my primary education to secondary education from NPPS. It was a very wonderful journey for me to take admission and complete my studies from here. I would like to advise to my juniors to take admission in NPPS for making their future bright. The environment of this school is very friendly, and the teachers of the NPPS they are very supportive for students, and they are also available for students in any time. I would like to thank you specially to Principal Ma'am for giving their love and care and support to us. NPPS makes the bright future of the students. Thank you.
Hey, I'm Himanshu Kaushik and I'm the Red House captain of my school, and it's a pleasure to be a part of the school, and I'm very thankful to my parents which took me admission here. And the best part of the school are the teachers. They are the backbone of the school. They are very humble, very kind, very polite to all the students by nature, by profession, by character, and they always available for the students 24/7. Thank you.
I am Abhishek Pandey and I am currently studying in class 11th. Last year I got 96% and I was a district topper of Dhar. And our school is made with the best qualities of teacher and a supportive staff, and other curriculum activities was also too good.
Hello, my name is Neeraj Singh Negi and I am a student of class 11 PCM in this school. For me, this school is one of the best schools in Pithampur because this exhibits all the good facilities and quality education for students. Our school men with very good teachers which treat us like their child. My school have many good qualities including state-of-art supplies like sports and laboratory equipment which can make even child a better and give